Yes. So method statement will be there. Method statement shall be in place, reviewed by physical conductor. Ensure demolition method is covered and right at the company and demolish material be disposed of. For waste management plan, waste plan via approved vendor. Okay, very good. So this is, guys, this is not very intensive. The contractor has to follow the company guideline. Security concern, no concern, because this is the part of the brownfield facility. So no major concern. Inadequate leading, exceeding the number of personnel, can safety concern, HSC, right? As per the right security, HSC induction will be given. HSC induction will be people and do's and don'ts and CISPA pass. No major concern for security. Okay. Fencing, no major fencing. Standard procedure shall be controlled. Construction people safety variation should be in place. Ensure the right temporary TEM PORA temporary safety verification should be in place to ensure the construction people do not access the critical facility during construction. This is okay. And warning board, warning and signboards. Boards will be in place to right. That's okay, because you are going to put the warning and signboards, and during construction this will be there. No problem. Whole and pit, no major construction activity we have anticipated, because this is all. Santosh, what is the maximum depth you are anticipating during construction or installation of this foundation?
Approximately 1 meter, actually. Approximately 1 meter from the FGL level.
And no dewatering? Any dewatering?
No, in fact, the groundwater is pretty low, even up to 15 meter. There is no sign of groundwater, so there is no dewatering requirement we envisage.
That's okay. So no concern. Overhead line. Any overhead pipeline, overhead cable? No, right? Santosh?
Electrical.
Yeah, sorry.
Sudeep, any overhead power line, any overhead equipment? No, right?
No, sir.
Overhead equipment is not there, and I don't think there will be power line also.
Yeah.
Electrical can confirm
No.
this.
Yeah, maybe some electrical and instrumentation trenches be there, but electrical instrument to confirm.
No pipeline is envisaged. Overhead pipeline, oblique electrical. Income excavation, underground services will be detected. That is by default. So, and control by MOS, no problem. Water table is very high, no major excavation. So we'll say maximum excavation. So no major concern. Working confined space, no confined space. Safety related training and induction will be implemented prior to gate for processing. WMS will be implemented. No confined space entry. No CON confined. System okay. Hygiene is okay because it's not very manpower intensive. Yes.